In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're new to automations, think of them as simple rules that handle repetitive tasks for you. They're driven by triggers and actions. For example, when a deal is created, automatically schedule a follow-up activity. We'll use Pipedrive's built-in templates so you can get results fast without building everything from scratch. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the left-hand sidebar. Find the three dots icon. This is the More menu. Click it, then choose Automations. If you don't see automations, you may need the right plan or permissions, so double-check that first. Once you're in, head to the Templates section. Templates are pre-built automations designed for common workflows, and they're the quickest way to get started. Browse through the available templates and look for one that matches your goal. You can scan the names and short descriptions to see what each one does. When something looks close to what you need, click Preview. The preview shows you the trigger and the actions the automation will perform. Take a moment to confirm the logic makes sense for your process, what kicks it off, which records it touches, and what outcomes it creates. If it aligns with your needs, click. Continue to start setting it up. You'll now move through a simple setup flow. This is where you assign the values the template needs to work. First, specify the trigger details. For example, if the trigger is deal created, choose the pipeline or stage it should watch, or any conditions offered by the template. Then configure the actions. If the automation creates an activity, set who it's assigned to, the due date rules, and any notes. If it sends an email, choose the sender, the recipients, and edit the subject and message. When mapping fields, match each automation field to the correct Pipedrive field so data lands in the right place. Watch for required fields. These are often marked and must be completed before you continue. Keep your values consistent. For instance, use the same pipeline and stage names you actually use in your account. If you see default values that already fit your process, you can keep them. If not, change them now so the automation behaves exactly as you expect. Once everything is filled out, review your choices and confirm. That's it. You've used a template, previewed its logic, continued into setup, and assigned the necessary values and outputs. Your automation is now ready to take work off your plate, so you can focus on moving deals forward.